Hey guys, it's Nick here with ZZ Diesel. Here to show you our illuminated filter minder kit. This is to replace the factory filter minder in trucks that have them, where it's an analog spring measuring restriction on the air filter. A lot of times these break, fall off, get misplaced under different situations, repairs or whatever. They come into the shop missing them all the time. We end up putting new ones on, so we came up with this product to give a new school vibe to an old school problem. When you pop the hood of your vehicle, you're going to see an illuminated green light if your filter's good. If it's bad, needs replacement, it's going to be red, and if it's yellow, it needs attention. Kit's going to come with the sensor itself, a barb fitting to go with either a GM grommet or a Ford grommet. A little wiring harness that's going to tie into your factory power and ground. We also have a signal wire here for a remote signal. You can find these on zzdiesel.com. We sell American-made products for the American working man because that's who we are and that's who we care about. Have a great day, guys.